In this video we will learn how to add planning in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Manpower budgeting module on top navigation bar. So here you can see planning form. Click on the Add Plan button to add a new request. Next, enter the title of planning. Plan year will be selected by the system. You can select the criteria to filter the positions for planning. Positions can be selected from drop-down one by one. Else use Import Positions option to list down all unmapped positions. Details can be seen in grid for every position that were entered while creating employee position. Only minimum and maximum salary range can be changed from the grid of position. System will automatically calculate the financial impact. Add a description before submitting the request. Next, click on a Submit button. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.